This is uranium, and it is the reason why ISITA will never let go of South Africa. They will never let us prosper because of Lelich. The truth shall set you free, so lalela mntomnyama. Before we begin, hlakanipha mntomnyama and understand ukuthi South Africa has 200 to 320 tons of uranium ekhona. We also hold about 70 to 80% of platinum yasemhlabeni. We have gold, futhi, magnesium, chromium, vanadium, titanium and other rare minerals. But hlakanipha and understand ukuthi if we use le uranium yethu to build ama-nuclear nduku zokuqhweba, we could make billions. South Africa is the only country in the world to create induku zokuqhweba using nuclear, and then siyithathe lezo induku zokuqhweba and give it to ISITA. Once upon a time, a long time ago, South Africa discovered ukuthi uranium, which is a key ingredient to creating nuclear. We then used the uranium to create nuclear. Ngo-1948, South Africa created the Atomic Energy Board. Its purpose was to coordinate South Africa's nuclear research, develop peaceful nuclear technology, manage uranium research, and build national nuclear expertise. Because we had an endless supply of uranium, sakwazi to create izinto using the uranium, and Koeberg was the biggest plant esasinayo that we used to experiment. We used to create izinto nge-uranium, including nuclear. At some point, we became so advanced, we turned into ochwepheshe. Understand ukuthi we created iPhephandaba, which was located in Gauteng near Pretoria. And iPhephandaba is similar to the White House, similar to NASA, similar to the Pentagon in America, because it was a place where South Africans did nuclear research, uranium storage, fuel fabrication, and other things that developed the progress of South Africa. Hlakanipha mntomnyama and understand ukuthi the more you learn about iPhephandaba, the more you wish ukuthi ngathi ngabuya, the more uyibuza ukuthi why bayivala, because ePhephandaba was where we stored induku zokuqhweba. ePhephandaba was where we created induku zokuqhweba ezi-unique. ePhephandaba was the place where South Africa focused on defense yayo. We also had iValindaba. iValindaba was opposite iPhephandaba. iValindaba focused on uranium enrichment. Bona, their core value was to create new technology using uranium, to also create renewable energy using uranium. And then it happened. We created 6 nuclear. Not the small kind, the big kind. Le otima we tuma uta ye Cape Town. When it lands on the capital city as a Cape Town, gone ganje. The only thing that will remain is ash. If we tuma uta ye go le Gauteng and it lands on the capital city of Gauteng, gone ganje. And we had 6 of them. We managed to collaborate with the Israeli and launched eyodwa yama nuclear ethu near the Prince Edward Islands, and then ISITA found out. Months later, after sebebonile ukuthi sinama nuclear, they then investigated and found out ukuthi sina 6, and we are currently working on creating A7. They then decided to collaborate ba country bebaningi and go tell South Africa to hand over wonke ama nuclear abo and apologize for creating lawo ma nuclear. With the help of Abu Gibson Makando and others, we then handed over ama nuclear ethu and became the first country in the world to hand over ama nuclear mahala. And then years later, they also found out who President Jacob Zuma started or restarted the program and developed ama nuclear. They then came back to take nalawo ma nuclear, making sure ukuthi thina ayikho indlela ukuthi sivikele. And of course, our high-tech facility indawo yethu, whereby we created yonke into iPhephandaba yavalwa. And then inland was sold to a foreign buyer who then erected udongo olukhulu electric fence and hired a 24-hour security yabantu angabona base South Africa. And then futhi bayivala, making sure ukuthi akuvakashi umuntu, angeni umuntu, ama documents are classified, everything yavalwa ngci. We are not allowed to get ePhephandaba.